What's up guys, EasyRC here, and this is the 1/18 scale Huina Bulldozer. Alright, so it has a 6-volt battery, and the charging time is like 30 minutes, and the run time is 45 to an hour. And the shovel on this is completely metal. And then also this little part right here is completely metal. And then the rest is plastic. It has 4-wheel drive, and the tires are also really good. Alright, so put this battery in. So this is the interior, and this is where the battery goes on the bottom, and the on button is in the back right here. So I'm going to put this in real quick. Okay, we got that in. Let's turn it on. Here's the remote. Very easy and simple to use. Got up, down for the front part here for the shovel. And then to go forwards, you have to hold both of them down. To go backwards, you have to hold both of them down. And then if you want to turn, you can press them the opposite ways, and then the other opposite way. And let's turn this thing on. Four-wheel drive. Oh, also has the lights in the front and the back. Here's your left blinker, and here is your right blinker, and then you got the left back blinker, and then the left right blinker. And this is how you lift it up. Press up or down. Now we're going to go test it out. Unfortunately, this does not have sound effects, so we're going to have to go without the sound effects. No sound effects, so let's just do it. There you go. Got a big pile. I guess we can dump it right here. You have to lift it all the way up. Like that. I'm going to try to... bottoms out pretty easily. We're going to try to clear up the path for this road here. Alright, let's go. So we can turn. Another load. Let's dump this out. Alright. Last scoop. Try to get a big one. Big scoop, big scoop. Okay. Pretty big scoop. Dump this out. And that is it for today. Like and subscribe if you already haven't, and hit the notification bell for more RC content. Easy RC.